Hey, my sweet, sweet students. We're here on Chapter 8 of Go Math, Lesson 3. So today I introduce you to using models to help you solve equations. So this might be something a little different, something you're not used to, but you'll get the hang of it, okay? So our objective today is I can use models to solve addition equations. So we're focusing only equations that have addition in it. But we are going to use inverse operation. Inverse is like saying opposite operation. What is the opposite of addition? The opposite of addition is to subtract, to take away, okay? Keep that in mind. So we're gonna use a drawing to represent what's happening. When I tell you I have X, that means I don't know how much I have. So we're going to draw a rectangle to represent what I don't know. I don't know how much, I'm just gonna draw a rectangle. When I draw a square, that's going to represent one of something, okay? Like one tile, for example, one of something. So let's look at this equation and we're going to do a drawing to represent the equation. So here we go. X is going to be my rectangle. So I'm going to draw one rectangle right here. There's my rectangle. That's it. Plus three things, three tiles, okay? So let's draw those three. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, are we good so far? Equals, let me use a different color to equals 5. 5, okay, so 5 tiles, 5 just squares. So here we go, we're gonna draw the 5 squares. Sorry, my phone got interrupted. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember that an equation shows you an equal sign. That means that whatever is on this side of the equal sign is the same as whatever is on this side of the equal sign. So 3 plus something, I don't know, is supposed to be the same as 5. So if I look at this picture and I take away 3 from this side, so I can get X by itself. Remember this rectangle is X. I don't know what that is. I don't know what number, mystery number it is. If I take 3 away from here, 1, 2, 3, to get X by itself, that means I have to take 3 away from the other side of the equal sign. 1, 2, 3. Now, if I read the equation, all really what I have is that X equals 2. You see? So now I know that X actually equals 2. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if that's the solution to this equation. 2. If I put 2 here, I get 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yes, it does. All right, let's try another problem. X, I use a rectangle to represent the X. And the X is, I don't know, a mystery number, right? I don't know. That's my X. I don't know what's there. I don't know how much it's worth. Plus 5, plus 5 little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Equal 2. It's supposed to be equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. Okay, now it's time for me to get X all by itself. How I'm going to do that is by using inverse operation. I am going to take away, if I'm adding here, I'm going to take away 5, because if I take away 5 from this side and I take 5 away from this side, I'm going to be left over with something. It's going to tell me what X is. Okay, so here we go. Take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take 5 away from this side, I gotta take 5 away from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I left with? I'm just left with 1. So that means that X, what I'm left with here, equals the same thing as 1. Is that true? Let's find out. Let's plug in the solution to this equation. X equals 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Yes, it does. This is true. So this is working out. So I didn't do this correctly. All right. I'm just going to do, I think I'm going to leave you guys to go ahead and rewind and watch the examples and see if you feel comfortable. I'll also do a video in Spanish with different problems.